gonna try to go for a rip today. As usual, everybody's not saying where they want to go or meet up time or anything, so it's gonna be a free-for-all today. I'm gonna warm this pig up over here. Someone's gonna come over here, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll film as much as I can. Are you guys gonna run in the junkyard? 10 feet? That thing sucks. No kite for you. He was just, no, he falls. At least he made it here. Fucking made it to the Vista. Later. Well, everybody's gone. Waiting for a trailer. My shit's broke down. I think that key switch jumbled around and blew something. Hopefully it's not my ignition, but I can't figure it out. And all my wiring's up there and I don't have any tools. But I'm only like 10 miles from home, so fuck it. Yeah, I'm just gonna lay here until I get a ride. See you on the other side. All right, so I made it home. I'm in the garage. Freaking bike wouldn't start. The key that I just put up last video right here popped out, jumbled all over the place, probably caused my fuse to blow out. That's what I'm hoping. Hopefully it wasn't my ignition because there's no power going to the bike. So hopefully it's just the fuse. It still wants to start. The starter works. So I don't know if that's just how it's wired or not. But yeah, I'm going to be fixing that on the next video, so stay tuned. Head to Death Metal Cycles, buy some merch, get a sticker pack, and see you on the next one. Thank you for watching, and watch all these other ones if you want.